It's going off. Let's go. Give us another minor for another 50. Can we train? Train. Oh, a mini will be good. I'll take a mini. Train. Ooh, 150. Let's go. Ooh, I saw the train. Ah, train. Come on, one more. Oh, it's all right. We'll take it. That was on the free games, guys. It's weird because we changed denoms, we changed bets, but 50 cents is where is that right now? Woohoo! And on this bonus, we hit $71.20. My math is on point. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go.